So, if your Mercedes seat are stuck and you're wondering how to exactly fix that, well, there are a few things that you need to do here. So, first things first is you may want to check for an electrical issue. So, start by checking the fuse related to the power seat adjustment. So, a blown fuse is a common cause here when nothing moves. Now, if the fuse is fine, look under the seat for disconnected or loose wiring harnesses. Now, also, you may want to inspect for any obstruction or track issues. Sometimes the seat slides or motors get jammed because a foreign object like puddles, debris in the seat tracks. Now, use a light to look underneath and clear anything you find. Now, also, you may want to feel for motor operation or you may want to listen for the sound. Now, you want to press the seat adjustment switch and listen. Now, if you hear the motor trying to work but the seat doesn't move, the motor or lay cage may be or may have failed. So, if there's a silence, the motor may not be getting power, or switch or module might be faulty. And also, some Mercedes models use a seat adjustment module or relay that can fail, so locating and replacing or resetting this component may restore operation. Also, on older models, removing the relevant fuse, then reinstalling can act as a reset. Now, finally, you may want to seek professional repair if the mechanical components are damaged. Now, if you've cleared obstructions, check fuses, air wiring, and the motor still doesn't move the seat, the gearbox or drive shafts under the seat may be broken or stripped. At that point, remove and replace replacement of parts here, or the whole set unit may be necessary. But that's about it. So hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.